Rose, Roland and Rose. Come on for Roland and Rose, couple number one. Now, how long have you been a couple? 40-something years. Wow, over 48 years? Congratulations. Okay, they've probably been working on their dance moves for quite a while now. Now, couple number two, what are your names and where are you from? Sorry, never mind. Gladys and Albert from California. And how long have you been together? 36 years. Ooh, that's some long-term couples up here. All right, couple number three. Hi. What are your names? Bert and Tessa. Where are you from? From Anaheim, California. How long have you been together? 44 years. Oh my God. All right, no pressure over here. Hello, couple number four. What are your names? Max and Dagmar. Where are you from? Germany. And how long have you been together? How long have you been together? 13 years. 13 years. That's a lot. That's a lot of years you've got up here. Okay, so some very experienced couples. Now, the way that this game works is super easy. Really, all you have to do is right now just watch the dancers. So come up here with me. Come up here with me. And we'll just watch. Remember, we're going to clear some space for them today. All right. Got two of our incredible dancers. Please welcome to this stage.
At the time of my life, no, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I know it all to
and beautiful. And now you saw that, right? You paid pretty close attention. Now all you have to do is copy what they did.
Gladys, manalo na. Manalo na si Ate Gladys mo.
Number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Hi, kumusta?
And do your best to emulate the dancers. I'm sure you can. Just a little 1, 2, 1, 2 hop. Right? All right. You think you're ready for it? I think you're totally ready. Let me give you all a little piece of advice before you get started, though. I must say, I, for one, am not very coordinated, so my advice to you is just fake it till you make it. Just do your best, just have a smile on your face, and just enjoy. And all right, let's do the love groove.
At the time of my life, no, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I know it all to you.
Nawala yung mister.
Now,
Kung nandito si
unfortunately,
Mr.
all four couples
Correct.
are winners in my eyes, and I couldn't possibly pick one winner. I think the guests could. I think they could. So I'm going to need you to help me out. When I put my hand over a couple, vote for your favorite by round of applause. Was it couple number one? Couple number two?
Yeah!
Couple number three? Or couple number four? Well, you can't vote for all four couples.
Oops, sir.
All four couples. Let's try again. Vote for one couple. Is it couple number four? Couple number three?
Yay!
Couple number two?
Yay!
Or couple number one? And we have our winners. Our winners tonight are couple number one. Drew Steph. Oh my gosh. DJ Rio stealing the show. Congratulations to couple number one, our dancing extraordinaires. Couple number two, three, and four. Please follow Fortuna. She's got some prizes for you. Well, thank you very much. Let's give it up one more time for our four couples. So brave, so talented,